nicely restored 1978 Chevrolet K20 Silverado. There's a whole envelope, thick envelope of pictures of this restoration that's in the glove box. There's also a build sheet, manuals. It's a nice looking truck. All right, 400 small block underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Original gray metallic paint truck with blue cloth interior, paint code 17, blue cloth interior 25D. Take a look at the chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds up front here, of course the Chevy bow tie. And paint really shows well on this truck. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Goodyear Wrangler ATSs, steel wheels, wheel caps. Classic look on this truck. Look at how straight these panels are. Going down the passenger side from front to rear, again, you can see how nice and straight they are. Above the wheel wells, no corrosion, lower rockers look good. And you'll be able to see the build sheet and manuals and what I'm talking about in the glove box and the still pictures. Very stock looking interior, sliding rear window. You'll be able to see exactly how this truck was originally equipped with equipment as far as that build sheet goes. AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes, spray and bed liner too. I don't know if you caught that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual tanks on this truck. Those look newer if you look at the underside pictures. Dual exhaust, true dual exhaust, front to rear. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. If you like square body trucks, maybe you're into 4x4s or just Chevy trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles are uploaded daily as far as their videos. And when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. You can see us in person. As we take a look down this driver's side again, you can see those panels nice and straight, lower rockers around the wheel wells. Looks good. Stick around to the very end of this video and Jason will take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Look at this interior. Just like back in '78 when it rolled off the showroom floor, your local Chevy dealer. AM FM stereo in it, and that does work. Wipers work. Appears to be a little later model AC system in it. Dash looks good up on the top. Gauges, voltmeter. Hope you can see that. Temp gauge, oil pressure. It was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Fuel. Of course, you have a switch over here for both tanks. No rips, tears, holes in the seats. Seat belts intact. Good looking interior. Listen to that door close. Brings back memories. The way they sounded in all these square bodies. Sounds good. Again, 400 small block underneath the hood. Let's go check that out. Once again, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck for a drive. Let me get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this walk around. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And look at this engine bay. So we do have a more modern compressor up here, newer style, has been switched from the R12. Tell by the blue fitting right there. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Again, power brakes, power steering, AC. Good looking engine bay. Also nicely restored. And like I said, there's a whole pile of pictures of restoration on this. It's a good looking truck. 1978 Chevrolet K20 Silverado. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet K20 pickup truck. This one drives very nicely. Looks good inside and out. Little brake pedal squeak. Our turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge reading about a quarter of a tank. Very factory feeling truck to me. Very nice feel. Nice and tight. Shifts good. Oil pressure gauge is pegged out at 60. Normally that is a good thing. Have good oil pressure. Volts are at 14 and the temperature right in the middle of the gauge. Our factory radio is working. One of the great things about this truck, the air conditioning blows ice cold. Got aftermarket air and it's working very well. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive for anybody. Great looking headliner in dark blue. Door panels dark blue with some nice accents. They do appear to be factory, but you don't see them very often. Excellent condition. Cloth bench seat. Windshield wipers work. This is a four-wheel drive truck. Power brakes feel good. Corners actually pretty flat in the cornering. Corners very well. Kickdown works on that automatic transmission. Plenty of power to pull this full-size truck around. Got headliner in the bed. This truck is ready to roll and have some fun. Take some trips. Check out all pictures of this 78 Chevrolet at uniqueclassiccars.com.